In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a stock to your watch list on Robinhood using the website. Whether you're brand new to Robinhood or just looking for a refresher, this simple process will help you keep a close eye on stocks that interest you, so you can monitor their performance and make smarter investing decisions. Let's begin by logging into your Robinhood account through the official website. Open your preferred browser and navigate to robinhood.com. Once you're there, enter your username and password to log in securely. After you've signed in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, where you can see your portfolio, overview, and recent activity. Now, let's move on to finding the stock you want to add to your watch list. At the very top of the screen, there's a search bar. Click on the search bar and start typing the name or ticker symbol of the stock you're interested in. As you type, a list of suggestions will appear. When you see the stock you're searching for in the drop-down, click on it. This action will take you to the stock's detailed information page. On this detail page, you'll find a range of important information about the stock, such as its current price, historical performance, news articles, analyst ratings, and more. This is a great place to explore and get a sense of whether the stock matches your investment goals. If you decide you want to keep track of this stock, look for the Add to Lists button. It's typically located near the top right of the page, close to the stock's name and trading details. Click on Add to Lists, and the stock will now be added to your watch list. If you ever want to check on the stocks you've saved, you can easily view your watch list. On the right side of the Robinhood website, you'll see an option labeled Lists. Simply click on Lists, and your watch list will appear. Here, you'll see all the stocks you've chosen to follow, along with basic data like their latest prices and daily changes. This convenient page makes it easy to get a quick snapshot of the companies you're tracking, all in one place. And that's all there is to it. Following these steps, you can efficiently add stocks to your Robinhood watch list and keep up with the market in a way that suits your interests and goals. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.